Ever pondered how diversified the world of medicine can be? Ever thought about a career in physiotherapy? Welcome to a realm where health and science intersect, a realm known as Bachelor of Physiotherapy or BPT. A significant branch of medicine, BPT is all about restoring and maintaining functional movement, reducing pain, and promoting health in individuals. In a world where sedentary lifestyles are increasingly common, the importance of this field cannot be overstated. Let's delve deeper into the world of physiotherapy and explore its potential. Physiotherapy, a branch of medical science, is much more than just healing injuries. It's a profession dedicated to restoring, maintaining, and maximizing strength, function, movement, and overall well-being. As a physiotherapist, you'll wear many hats. You could be an expert in sports injuries, a consultant in rehabilitation, or a specialist in managing chronic diseases. The roles are diverse, and so are the responsibilities. From diagnosing physical disorders to developing personalized treatment plans, a physiotherapist plays a crucial role in a patient's healthcare journey. But what about the future? Well, with an aging population and a rise in chronic conditions, the demand for physiotherapists is expected to grow. This field is not only promising, but also offers a chance to make a real difference in people's lives. Remember, the path may be tough, but the rewards are worth it. A career in physiotherapy can be as challenging as it is rewarding. Money matters. So how much can you expect to earn as a physiotherapist? Let's dive into a global perspective on this, starting with the United States, the land of opportunities. Here, physiotherapists are in high demand due to a large aging population. On average, they earn around $75,000 annually. This figure can climb up to $90,000 with experience and specialization. Hopping across the pond to the United Kingdom, a physiotherapist's salary is influenced by the NHS banding system. As a newly qualified practitioner, you begin in Band 5, earning about £24,000. With experience, you can progress to Band 7, where the average salary is around £37,000. Down under in Australia, the average salary for a physiotherapist is approximately 70,000 Australian dollars. However, this figure can fluctuate based on factors like the cost of living, which varies from city to city, and the demand for physiotherapy services. In India, a country with a booming healthcare sector, physiotherapists earn an average of 3 lakh rupees per year. While this may seem low compared to other countries, remember the cost of living in India is relatively lower. Plus, there's a growing demand for physiotherapy services, indicating potential for salary growth. Finally, let's look at Canada. Here, the average salary for a physiotherapist is around 70,000 Canadian dollars. Factors such as the demand for physiotherapists, especially in rural areas, and the level of experience can influence this figure significantly. So, what does all this mean? Well, it's clear that the salary of a physiotherapist varies from country to country, influenced by factors like demand, experience, and cost of living. It's essential to consider these factors when planning your career path. Remember, while money is important, it's not the only thing. Job satisfaction, work-life balance, and the opportunity to make a difference in people's lives are equally crucial aspects of a fulfilling career in physiotherapy. As you can see, the earning potential in this field varies greatly depending on geographical location. So, what have we learned about a career in physiotherapy? In this journey, we've uncovered the role of a physiotherapist as a restorative beacon, helping individuals regain their mobility and independence. Physiotherapists are the architects of recovery, designing personalized treatment plans that cater to the unique needs of each patient. They are the unsung heroes in the world of healthcare, working diligently behind the scenes to restore function, improve mobility, and alleviate pain. Looking ahead, the future of physiotherapy shines brightly, with an increasing demand for these professionals. As the world becomes more health conscious and the global population ages, the need for physiotherapists will only continue to grow. This profession is not only sustainable but also lucrative, with a wide array of opportunities for specialization and advancement. As we've seen, the salary expectations for physiotherapists vary widely from country to country. In some regions, physiotherapists earn a handsome salary that reflects their expertise and the value they bring to the healthcare system. However, it is important to remember that the monetary benefits are just one aspect of this fulfilling career. Ultimately, being a physiotherapist is about more than just the paycheck. It's about the satisfaction that comes from helping others, the joy of seeing a patient's progress, and the fulfillment of playing a vital role in someone's recovery journey. A career in physiotherapy offers not just a decent salary, but also a chance to make a difference in people's lives. It's time to take a step towards a promising future in the world of physiotherapy.